Welcome to the unboxing video for the Rizzen 18-watt mini DC UPS. This powerful device is designed to provide you with uninterrupted power for your essential electronics, including routers, fiber boxes, and even your phone or baby monitor. Let's take a look inside the box. First up, you'll see we have the Rizzen 18-watt mini DC UPS unit itself. Next up, we have the 1.5 meter DC cables, which will allow you to connect your electronics to the UPS from a distance. These cables are 3 times longer than previous models. This means you can place your devices wherever you need them without having to worry about the power supply. The UPS also comes with 3 DC adapters for electronics with different sized DC ports. Please ensure not to plug in an adapter into a higher or lower voltage than it is intended for in order to prevent any damage to your device. This unit also features a 5-volt DC port and a 5-volt USB port. It also has a 12-volt and a 9-volt output DC port at the back. So on the setup we have over here, we have the power supply plugged in, which will charge as long as there is electricity. And then if we plug out the power supply, it will still continue to give power to all your devices as it is an uninterrupted power supply. And then we also have our 5-volt plugged in here. And then I'm going to show you how to plug in your Wi-Fi box to the UPS itself. So I have turned around my unit and then I'm going to locate the wattage or the volts over here that it requires to power. As you can see over here, it has a power rating of 12 volts, meaning I will plug it into my 12-volt DC port. Over here we have the DC input. We're going to take our DC cable, plug it in over there, and then we're going to plug in the other end on the output on the UPS over here at the 12 volt. Just like that. Once it is connected, we can turn on the power over here. And once it is on, you can see that it directs power to your Wi-Fi box over here as an uninterrupted power supply. It has a 0-millisecond auto switching, so you won't experience any downtime when the power supply is interrupted. In summary, the Rizzen 18-watt mini DC UPS is a powerful, versatile, and reliable device that is designed to provide you with uninterrupted power for your essential electronics, such as fiber router or Wi-Fi router. So if you're looking for a high-quality UPS, the Rizzen 18-watt mini DC UPS is definitely worth considering.